Hey, are you ready to dive into the dark world of Forex trading? Grab your popcorn because we've got a hush tale for you. Today we're going to dive into the deep world of AUG, an online Forex broker that claims to be based in the luxurious United Arab Emirates. So sit tight because things aren't as glamorous as they seem. Founded back in 2016, UAG offers financial instruments for investors, a range of them. We're talking Forex, precious metals, energy, and index CFDs, okay? And here's where the first plot twist comes. WikiFX, the ultimate Forex watchdog, has labeled UAG a punt. We're giving them a low bottom year score of 1.92 out of 10. This broker, they're a ticking time bomb, ready to take your cash in a second. UAG entices the investors with two account types. The standard account, which has only a $100 minimum deposit, and the ECN account with a $500 minimum deposit. Both standard and ECN accounts with a maximum leverage of 1 to 200, which is insane, okay? They also offer swap-free accounts to Muslim traders. But don't be fooled. The spread that they offer varies depending on the account type. Standard accounts, they're slopped with spreads that can get as high as 1.6 pips. While ECN account holders, they're going to enjoy this unfair advantage of spreads as low as 0.1 pips. And you know what? UAG plays a sneaky game of favoritism. See, ECN accounts, well, they get a jaw-dropping $2 per lot, while those stuck with the standard accounts will only receive a measly $12 per lot with real-time cashback. Can you believe their balls? UAG Trade offers two trading platforms, the classical MetaTrader 4 and their very own UAG app. Both are accessible on your PC and your mobile devices. A little variety never hurts, right? Now let's talk about why the money matters. UAG Trade supports various payment methods, bank transfers, PayPal, and even Bitcoin wallets. But they're strictly prohibiting deposits and withdrawals from third-party accounts. You need to be cautious because UAG is not regulated. That's right, you heard it. They're not regulated. What would happen if you invested in an unregulated broker? It's like walking through a minefield with your money. If a broker is unregulated and committed to a game to take all of your money away, well, that's it. Your money is gone. So it's time to protect your wealth. Steer clear from this hazardous trade. On March 17th, 2023, UAG already racked up a total of 11 complaints. The most alarming issue? Well, withdrawal rejections. It's a nightmare and you never want to experience it. Anyhow, you need to avoid UAG like a plague. So share this video to your fellow traders and sound alarms. Do your research, protect your investments, and remember, stay safe out there, traders.